Hi, this is the Xiaomi 13T and I'll show you how to log out from the Gmail account on this device. So first open the Gmail app, tap on the right upper corner and click to manage accounts on this device because we should first log out from the Google account and after that we'll automatically log out from the Gmail app. So just tap the more icon. After that click to remove account, confirm your action. If you use some protect methods, just use them. Now we just successfully logged out from the Google account, so let's go back to the Gmail app and we could see that we just successfully logged out also from the Gmail account. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.